Alright, so we're going to shake the can for 30 seconds. It's actually 45 seconds. That part's never been a problem. So we're going to thread this on. So far, so good. And as you can see, zoom in a little bit. I think it's already starting to backflow. Yep. There's just not enough pressure in this can. And then, when you go to take it off because it stopped, as you can see here, it's already starting to leak out. Look at that. I don't even think it was going in. Okay, so just for the sake of trying everything, I put an air hose on here because there was about 5 pounds of air pressure in here when I started. It wasn't completely 100% deflated, so I put that little, screwed this little thing on here. It's a hose from an old can that didn't work, so I just cut that off and put it on there to drain all the air pressure out of this completely. So I got a new can, shook for 30 seconds or more. That's all pretty good. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so far so good. And it's already stopping. I'll keep going here to see what we get. Alright, so the sealant stopped within 10 seconds or less. The tire is still well deflated, probably under 10 pounds. I've taken my finger off there, everything in there comes out the button. So it's not even a fully inflated tire, and as soon as I take my finger off this button, it starts backflowing. So there you have it, and it's still leaking out. So there's 2 cans wasted. Anyway, that's all. I have 2 more cans. I sent 4 cans and I used 2 that didn't do anything. So now we're going to try this with a can of Super Tech. It's 20 ounces. Take the cap off. This tire is reading 0 psi. Screw that on. Here we go. Watch the line here. And this brand name has like a pink color sealant, so you should be able to see it pretty easy. There it is, going in. Already it's running longer than the Fix-A-Flat can. And I stopped, and I can start again, no problem. Sounds like looks like it's starting to empty out. And all the sealant is gone. Well, a little bit more. Let's let it run a little bit more. But the point is, it's still running after about 30-40 seconds. It completely emptied all the sealant. Still going a little bit more. Keep going. A little bit more. Instructions also tell you not to shake the can while you're filling it, so I'm not doing that. Just kind of letting it do its thing. And it looks like we just got air in the line now, and the can is pretty much dispensed.
we go. Empty can. Alright, that's it.